off the Carolinas that'll track just south or near Block Island and the Lower Cape and Islands overnight through tomorrow. A track close enough to give us significant snow and wind, but so close that for a time it'll draw in some warm air, and for a little while some spots will mix or change to sleet and rain. But dry through the early evening, heavy snows after midnight through tomorrow morning and early afternoon. And again, some spots will mix with sleet and rain. In those locations, while you'll still have plowable snow, it won't be quite as high as those spots that stay all snow. Downtown Providence, cloudy, chilly at 29. The wind is calm. In fact, no wind at all, but boy, it really cranks up tomorrow. 40, 50 mile per hour wind gusts are possible. Temperatures now in the upper 20s to low 30s, so cold enough initially to support snow rather than rain, at least at the start. You can see the leading edge of the precipitation breaking out to our south and west. And again, it's essentially two storm systems. One is weakening across the Ohio River Valley, and it's the second one offshore that'll become the main player as it tracks close to the New England coastline tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, and with it the heavy precipitation and the strong wind. So for this evening, other than a passing flurry, no problem. So you're heading out 7, 8, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, you look fine. But once you get to midnight and beyond, whoa, it is a whole different story. It is really coming down, upper 20s to low 30s, and certainly very difficult travel tomorrow morning. Heavy snow, sleet for a short time, some rain in some areas, strong winds 30, 34. Now it's snowing all day tomorrow afternoon, though the intensity will start to come down late afternoon and early evening. Temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. Let's first show you the precipitation type. Along Route 95 north and west, it stays as all snow. In this area in green, New Bedford and out towards the Cape, more than likely a change to sleet and rain, but you will go back over to snow. This pink zone, there may be several hours where we get some sleet mixed in, and then it changes back to snow. If this area does not change to sleet, it stays all snow, then the totals will be quite high here as well. So naturally, it's the further north and west you go, there's more in the way of snow. The further south and east you go, there's not as much. So how much will fall? Again, imaginary line, Route 95, along Route 95, north and west, 12 to 16. That includes Providence and Warwick. South of Route 95, south and east, 8 to 12 in this blue strip. And then from roughly New Bedford out towards the Cape, 4 to 8 inches of snow. Of course, it's a small state. Let's get in even closer here. And you can see where that 12 to 16 line is lining up right in here. And here's your 8 to 12, and then 4 to 8. Even though you changed to rain out here, you do go back to some snow. So wrapping it all up, snow arrives after midnight, the heaviest from 2 in the morning until the early afternoon hours. The highest amounts, Route 95, north and west. As far as the impacts tomorrow, what you would expect in a nor'easter here. Poor travel, difficult visibility.